And to the republic.
I say pledge allegiance.
Okay, you do it.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of America, Daddy.
The United States of America. And to... Go ahead. To the republic. All right, come on. And to the republic.
To the care.
For which it stands.
One nation.
One nation.
One God.
Under God.
Indivisible.
Indivisible.
Liberty.
With liberty.
And Olivia for all.
And Olivia for all?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, you want to do it again without Michael stepping on you?
Yeah.
Do it again.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of America. To the bucket. To the care. Shut up. Olivia for all.
Good job!